What up? It's KTG 612, and today we're gonna do a poker ride. We got Jenna with us today.
Hello.
That like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's do this.
I'm gonna start a riot, yeah. Sorry if I'm blind, stuck up all of mine. I can't let you go, I'm right here, baby. Till the end, even if you live, I will wait for you and I will.
And we're off. We're on the ride. First step is we're gonna head to Simply Ride. They are hosting this event. This is actually my first year. I've been wanting to do this for a few years now. Basically, the concept is you ride to these locations and you pick up a card. Then the best hand wins. So there's 3 prizes. I believe they're gift cards for the actual shop. $150, $75, and $50, I believe. And Jana has been wanting to do this ride with us too. So I'm not gonna be doing any kind of crazy riding. I got Jana in the back with me. If anything, we might hit 100 a couple times in a straightaway. But otherwise, nothing too crazy as far as turns or anything like that. I think we'll be on the highway most of the time. It's a hot day and we want to keep moving. It's too beautiful to not ride. Yeah, it's a good day to be on the lake too. See a lot of people towing their boats. Land of 10,000 lakes. So I think the whole route is about 2.5 hours. But once we get to Stillwater, the plan is to find somewhere to eat, hang out. I don't know what to expect. It's my first experience, so you guys are coming along for the ride. Yeah, it's a nice day to have your doors off. Those guys probably just registered and they're on their way. Now we're trying to register and get on the road. I'm gonna go check with them and see what we have to do. Hello, how do you register for the ride?
I will have you scan
Okay.
this QR code. I'm going to give you a wristband here.
Should we just go to, let's go to Rex. Okay, 20 minutes to the next spot. All right, we're registered, we're on. All right, the first spot we're gonna hit up is Rax. It's the closest. This is fun. Good thing this area is moving, because usually when I take this spot, it's pretty congested. My first card that I hope I get is gonna be the Ace of Spades. And then I'll end up with a Royal Flush. Hey, if it happens, I sit it right here. We're not too far from the first spot. We're in Burnsville now. And we're at the first stop.
Hello.
Hello, how's it going?
Good. How are you guys? You
Good.
both have green?
Yeah.
All right. Whoops. Can't be doing it that way. So now you get to pick any card.
All right, go ahead, babe. You go first. I like this one. This black.
Okay. Then I just need to put your first name and last initial on the card.
Yep. So we can't be switching them and stuff.
Right. Where are you guys headed now?
We're gonna Prescott.
Well, good luck. Have a quick picture of you guys.
Okay.
There you go. Thank you.
Thank you. We got our first cards. I didn't even look at it. I don't even know what I have. All right, now we're on to the second spot. No Name Saloon in Prescott. This should be about a 35-minute ride. All right, so I looked at my card and I got a 5, and Jana got like a 2. I got a 5 of hearts. So we'll get a total of 3 cards, and then we'll discard 1. We'll keep the 2 that we like, and then we'll play Texas Hold'em. From that point, we'll see the community cards, and best hand wins. Oh, the NSX. I love this route. It's so scenic. We got another rider ahead of us, so we're just chilling. We come and hang out here every once in a while. We're in Wisconsin. It's gonna be on the left somewhere over here. Let's see here. No Name Saloon right there.
Both are playing, right?
Yep, yep.
Okay. And then first name?
Jana, J-A-N.
Thank you.
All right, there you go.
All right, here we go. We'll pull into that parking lot real quick. A lot of bikes around here.
Saloon. What is this, Prescott?
Yeah, we're in Prescott.
Yes.
We'll go pick up 1 more, and then we'll keep the 2 that we like, and then we'll see the community cards. Just hung out here for a little bit. All right, we're on to our last stop. Hopefully this card is a good card, because so far I'm not really happy with my cards. Oh yeah, this route. I love this route. The Scenic Byway. Woo! Let's get it, baby girl. She's over here leaning with me. Oh, look at the riders. Yeah, baby. Every time I come around here, it's pretty busy, always, like in this area. I wonder what it is that's attracting people. Must be like this building right here. What is this? Selma's ice cream place. Oh, I gotta check that place out. Motorcycle stuff. Okay. It's a cool place. So I love seeing the sport bike rider and the cruiser together. Ducati! So I didn't get the ace of spades for my first card like I said I wanted, but I can still get an ace of spades right here, right? Or no, you know what? We need to get a pair. We need something right now. We need a hand that we can build on. We've been riding through some beautiful little cities. It's right there. He's right there. That's that guy. We've seen him in a couple of spots. You know where the spot is?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's right just south of town on 95 here.
Okay. Yeah, so we're probably gonna come back here and find a place to eat and stretch our legs out a little bit after we get this last card. Hello.
Is this your first stop or
This is our last stop.
last? Cool. Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
Cool. So yeah, you get 3 cards. You get to pick your best 2. So just make sure you discard one with Sophia, who registered you.
Okay.
Registration list will cross you off. And then yeah, the showdown's gonna be at 4. There's 3 grand prizes.
Okay.
$150 Displacement gift card, $75 value item, and then a $50 value item.
Awesome.
Thanks guys. Ride safe.
Ready? Alright, let's go. Alright, back into the downtown Stillwater area. Alright, we're here at Ziggy's and we got all our cards. I got a king, 5, and a 7. I'm gonna keep these ones.
Mine.
What are you gonna keep?
This one
Okay.
and a 5.
Yeah, it's up to you. You can keep whatever. You never know what happens. That's the thing.
I'm gonna do the
Okay.
the 5.
Alright, I'm gonna keep the king and the 7. She's gonna go with the jack and the 5. We'll see how we do once we get there. But for now, we're gonna enjoy some food. Alright, just got done eating. So we're gonna head back to Simply now. We got our cards and wish us luck. Hopefully we win. We're off to Simply and we're gonna complete the run and hopefully win this. We don't have the best cards, but that's how you play with the hand that you're dealt, right? I feel energized. That little break woke me up. Okay, so I gotta say, those cheese curds were amazing at Ziggy's on Main. Oh man, and they're so filling. Let's go ride with this guy. Are you doing the Simply ride at all? Alright, we're gonna follow you. Alright. See, made another friend. That's how you do it. If you have no friends at all, buy a motorcycle. You'll have like a million friends automatically. And I don't see why you don't have any friends. I'll be your friend. On the way back, and we made a friend. We made a couple friends today. Everything's been great. It's gonna be even better once we win.
You got all 3?
Yeah. Yeah. What about you? Got all 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Is it 600?
No, it's 1,000.
Oh, liter?
Yeah, it's a liter.
Dude, I was like, I don't know what you got. I better be good.
No, yeah. I'm just following you, bro. Whatever, however way you want to ride. How do you like your card? You got a pretty strong hand? No, me either.
That last one, she's like, here.
Yeah, she's like, you're taking this one. All right, we're here at Simply now. And look what happened. We lost our 360 cam. We started riding crazy. I was riding a little crazy. Took a little fast and we lost it. So, oh well. You know, time to upgrade. Oh, it feels good to be inside. Here we go. Wish us luck. We lost. We had trip 5s, but we lost.
It's okay. We were close.
That was fun.
Yeah, it was good. Hey, like, subscribe,
All that.
all the above.
And more.
How can I be able to see you?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I'll be ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails are
Look for me. You about to be on there.